Remember that controversy about the dress? If it was green or blue? Yeah. That's what this is. What up, ladies? This is your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming to you this morning with a video. And 2 weeks later, I got my controller in. First off, let's get the legal out the way. If you like to see, make sure you smash that like button. You know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel if you're not, and turn on notifications so that you get all my videos as we make our way to 2K, baby. You know, 2K sounds good. But so these I've got them. I've got the bag. The bag has been secured. I got both of them. The Cosmic Red and the Midnight Black controller, right? Now, these were supposed to come out freaking June 7th. Date recording this, it's June 23rd. I just picked up my pre-orders and whatnot. So I'm saying let's get into it because I'm curious. Before we get to this one, let's get to the black one, because you know your boy Mo loves black. All right, so as with anything, here's the front of the box, side of the box, which it does list on the side. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or whatever. Probably wants to still focus on my skin, whatever. And then the back of the box. I mean, it's all like regular PlayStation, packaging and whatever. Hold on. It's time, chat. It's time, everybody. ASMR. Peeling the tape. It's pretty short. Wait. Undoing the tab. And pretty sure this is like with typical Sony fashion. We're gonna have a box in a box. Let's find out. Plastic tab came off. Ain't no going back now. All right. Yep, it's a box in a box. So, but yeah, these were supposed to come out like the 7th, and I got my reserve in. I made sure I reserved it because, well, you guys know what's going on with the pandemic and whatever. And like even last night, I tried to get a PS5 disc version because I have the digital, and that was all I was able to get. And the disc versions went up on Amazon, and the bots got them. Bots 14,742, Moat 0. But yeah, okay. Anyway, wait. Part 2 of ASMR. Have to look at that. And as always, we'll let you guys get the first look. And that's what's in the box. Such a big box for such a small controller. So it's just it's the controller. It's toilet paper manual, like Wicked like to say, and that's it. There's no cables or anything. So let's get her naked. Let's get her naked. And there it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look, it's nice. Oh, it's sleek and it's black, and it feels really good. It feels like a brand new controller. So, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's awesome. You know what I mean? It's great. But yeah, let's get you out of the way. Move this stuff out of the way real fast. Yeeticus. And yeah, let's get to the red one. So same thing. You know what I mean? Like, same artwork. I thought they maybe would have abandoned the white, but they didn't. So it's weird. I've seen pictures of this thing, like, and even here, even on this picture real fast, it say it's Cosmic Red, right? But it kind of looks a little pink. Okay, but for comparison, like, like, this is red. That looks a little pink to me. But me, I'm a villain in pink, so doesn't make me a difference. Since you guys got to pick the first one, I'm gonna take this one in myself because sometimes we need to be selfish, right? Also, these things never want to come out the box, and I officially ripped the box. So it definitely ain't going back now. Like legit, like this thing just really. Well, it's a casualty. It's a casualty. Sorry. It didn't want to come out. I tried to save the box. It didn't want to. But same thing with this one. Same toilet paper manual. I can't believe I just ripped the box. Like really, I shook it. All right. And here is the red. Although it doesn't look red, it looks like it. That's not red. They're marketing red. That's not red. This is hot pink. Okay. This is red. Look at that. Look at the difference. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Red, hot pink. Okay. So you don't think that's red, huh? Let's go with this. The stick lighter that is used to light my candles. That's pink. If you needed further confirmation, the sauce. Yeah, hot sauce. Because, you know, hot sauce is red. That's pink. You know what I mean? Yo, but hey, it looks good. Like I said, it don't bother me. The clear buttons actually, if you look, like the clear buttons actually do it a lot of justice with the plastic and stuff, you know, with the background. It feels good. I mean, it's pink. Anyway, guys, yo, look at that. There we go. Red and black controllers this morning. Yeah, I mean, and like, yo, but what do you guys think? You think it's red? Do you think it's pink? You know what I mean? Yo, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm MikeOfAllTrades. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you smash that like button. You know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel if you're not, and turn on notifications as we make our way to 2K for more unboxings, more reviews, things of that nature. Anywho, MikeOfAllTrades, and catch you on the next one. Later.